Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. In second bonus lecture, we are going to cover panic and recover. Panic is an exceptional condition arise in code. In normal scenario, when exception comes, we generally handle exception manually, which is recommended by Go also. But in some case, we can use panic. Generally, panic is not recommended by Golang. In some case, if exception occur and I want to terminate the code, in this case I can go for panic. For example, I am running database update operation and I am not getting database connection. In this case I want to terminate the code, so I can go for panic. Once panic run, it break the normal flow of code. We can recover panic using recover function, but we can call recover function within the differ function. We will discuss this on the code. Let us jump on VS. Hello friends, I have already created the file error.go. Before discussing the panic and recover, first we need to discuss about one more concept. If you are using Go module and you have more than one main method, you should comment all the main method except the main method which you are going to run. Otherwise code will give error. Let me show you. Suppose I am running this go run vivek.com/hello. It is going to give me error. Main redeclare in this block previous declaration error.go. So what I have done, I have declared main here. If you will see. So if I will comment this, my code will run perfectly fine. Let me comment this. Save. Now let me run the code. So our code is running perfectly fine. Let me discuss the code. So what we are going to do, we are going to give the wrong file path from command line and we will try to open the file. In this case, exception will arise and we will handle first exception normally. Then we will handle this exception by using panic, and then we will see the recover method. So what I am doing, function main, I am printing main, I am printing command line argument. I have a test method where I am passing the file path. So if you will see the test method, it is taking file path. It is opening with error, opening the file path with OS, and we are not going to use file. We are just checking for error. So I will get error because I am passing the wrong path. So when error is not nil, I am printing error is file opening and I am returning. After that, I am printing main completed. Let me say this main started. Now let me run the code. So how can I run? Go run, and I need to pass the wrong file path. So suppose I am passing abc.txt. So if you will see, my code is running, main started. I have printed the args. So first is the program and second is the file path. Third, test has been called. If you will see, this is the test has been called. Fourth, error in file opening. This line has been printed, and after that it is a printing main completed, which is running perfectly fine. Let us use panic. So I will comment these lines and I am going to open the panic. So as I told you, when panic run, it break the normal flow of program. Means this statement will not be printed because it will break the normal flow of the program. So let me run the code. Error, many argument. Okay, let me check. Panic. Okay, so we can do like this. We can do plus operation and we can do. So let me run the code. So if you will see the output, main started, command line parameter, test, this one is printing. After that, it is in printing error in opening file, open d abc text, system cannot find the file, fine. After that, this statement is not printing, we are getting basically error trace. So it breaks the normal flow, which we can recover using recover method, but we can call recover method within the differ function. So I have written a function test1. Let me open this function. So we will uncomment this function and see how recover works. So we have uncommented this function. Now we will call. If we will call normal method, control will not go here. So we can call recover within the differ method only. So let me call the differ. So test1 will be called. What I am doing, I am taking recover in R variable, and I am checking if recover is not nil. I am printing a message recovered from R. It will print from what it is recovered. It will print test1. After that, normal flow of program will run, means main completed will be printed. So we can call recover in differ method. What I am doing here, I am assigning recover to a variable. If you will see, it is a recover, and I am checking if recover is not nil. I am printing the recover, means it will print from what error we are recovering, and after that it will print test1, and after that flow will be normal, means main completed will be printed. Let me run the code again. So if you will see, main started, command line parameter, test is printed here. Then it is not printing the panic error, it is a going in recovered from the file, and it is a printing from what error it is recovering, what is the panic message, same is printing in recovered. Then test1 has been printed, then main completed has been printed. So I hope you have understood the concept of recover and panic.
Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.